I am sharing my personal feelings that under this situation, that more than 500 people, even till now, more than 120 people in this platform from morning 11 to 3:30. I just give the salute to all of you because you are making this conference the successful. You are making this conference meaningful. This workshop is now making one good family. It is the starting of really I am getting some again message is really helping us. Thanking you all, and you are all helping this workshop Oram 2020. So if somebody asks me that who should be credited, the credit goes to all participants and especially other speakers also. They are from different parts of the world, from different country. They are making such a nice presentation. Secondly, the scholars and the academicians and researchers, they are helping us. No doubt we are from India, and in India you know that there are always some internet issue, whether you are using the broadband, whether you are using Jio, Airtel, no matter, some drop down of 1 minute, 2 minute technical issue will be there. In spite of this workshop become the one of the great event. I'm saying the great event because of your support. Whenever we are also coming out from the host, participant inform us that this is going on. Participant help us to continue the next session. So this is called the joining hand to hand together and work for the betterment of the society. So really, I am appreciating all of you and thanking you all. We will go for the valedictory session, and it is already 3. So we will start the next session at 5. My request is to all of you that if it is possible, then give. If you have already submitted, it is okay. If you have not submitted, put your photograph, write down your name and your area, and also your one sentence from your side. You can send it to us in one PPT or like that before 5. Then we can show it in front of the world through Oram platform. And we are also giving heartiest congratulations to all the participants, because all of you are inside our team, and this is international workshop. Successfully we have completed every session, and it is the last session, and therefore we hope that all of you will join together in the valedictory session. 5 p.m. we will have the valedictory session, and we will introduce with one another. So yes, Mohini Gaurav, okay, thank you. These are really good and appreciating. So thanking you all, we are going to end this meeting. It was nice to meet all of you in a single platform in Oram 2020. Let us start the work. Let us make the journey for research and development. And take care, all of you also. Dr. Saib Ahmed, yes, and you also please take care. And I would like to request all of you, be inside your home, keep home quarantine, and thanking you all. Please, bye. We'll meet you again at 5 p.m. Thank you.